Now, your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
A smattering of showers across the peninsula today. Some of the rainfall has been heavier on the other coastline where the storms came in off the Atlantic waters. We're really seeing the showers move at us from over land, so they have a chance to rain out just a little bit before they get to us. I think as we head through the afternoon and we start to get a little daytime heating, we'll see more of the thunderstorm activity possible across our region. Arcadia, Wauchula, you'll probably get some pretty good storms over the course of the next 2 hours as a line of showers continues to kind of rotate back in that direction. But generally, most of us at this hour are enjoying some pretty quiet, tranquil conditions. Most of us not seeing rainfall at this moment, though that will change as we head into the next couple of hours. It's certainly possible. Almost anywhere, almost any time, a shower could pop up. Mostly light stuff, but still, there are some pockets of heavier rain, like right now, moving in toward Fruitville Library. There's a heavier rain shower in progress that's producing some kind of rainfall that could cause some ponding of water on roadways. So watch for that. It could be kind of slippery out there. Palmer Avenue, 75, Fruitville Road, all those areas getting some pretty decent rainfall at this moment. Right now, we are looking at a 70-degree air temperature, 69-degree dew point, so pretty close together, high humidity and plenty of rain shower potential in the forecast over the next 4 or 5 days. We have an area of low pressure that's spinning right there in our cloud pattern, and the Hurricane Center is watching it for possible tropical development. They give it about a 30% chance of 2-day development, and over the course of 5 days, perhaps 40% chance. Those aren't high chances, and development, should it occur, would be a very minor kind of development in the form of a tropical system, or perhaps something that has a tropical hybrid kind of a system. In any event, its forecast track would take it up toward the Panhandle, so its impact on us would be not much different than whether or not it develops tropically. It's going to bring us rainfall, and plenty of it over the next several days. As the low lifts north, the trough of low pressure also swings to the north, and we see here locally perhaps an accumulation of 2 to 4 inches of rain over the course of the next several days. Now today, most of that rain shower is going to be intermittent. It's going to be fairly light for most of us, kind of like we saw yesterday afternoon. But within that, there'll be pockets of some heavier rain. And you folks around Inglewood know what I'm talking about. You got some pretty good rainfall last evening. And that's the kind of stuff we could see today. Sufficiently hard rains at times in places that could produce ponding of water on roadways. So we'll look for cloudy and wet conditions throughout the day today, probably for the next several days. Good rain chances really all week long at least 50% for the next 3 days. And then some periods perhaps of some heavier rainfall that could have thunderstorm activity and of course some gusty winds. Futurecast shows those showers kind of rotating up and then breaks and then more showers and then breaks and then more showers. And that's really the way it's going to be right straight through Wednesday. I'd say we probably have about a 50% chance tomorrow and the day after of seeing those showers around. Maybe even a little higher rain chance tomorrow, I think. Today, our rain chance at about 90%, although that'll taper off a little bit as we head into the evening. If you look at the rainfall futurecast, accumulations through Friday will probably top out. I wouldn't be a bit surprised at 2 to 4 inches of rainfall, which is great because the drought indexes have been so high lately that we could use a little rainfall. Also, the thunderstorm possibility embedded within these rains. Well, this is today's forecast from the Severe Storm Prediction Center, and we do have a chance at standardized thunderstorms in this area. We don't really have a chance at severe weather being forecast. Of course, that can spin up almost any time. We saw that today in Palm Beach. And then tomorrow, again, a chance of thunderstorms, and then Wednesday, again, a chance of thunderstorms. So we're kind of in a feel of that summertime sort of pattern here. Titan radar right now, as I mentioned, showing some pretty good coverage from north to south across the state. So may be some airport delays at times today at any of the airports in the state of Florida, really. An east wind coming in at about 15 knots today, moderate chop, obviously not a great day for boating. And we'll go with about an 80% chance of showers today. First alert weather day, 90% chance of rain. That'll hold true tomorrow as well, but the rain chance may be a little bit less. And then as we head into the next several days, again, intermittent chances of rain almost anytime, almost anywhere, but the rain chance at about 50%. As we head into the weekend, we'll still have rain chances, but there'll be more of those afternoon thunderstorms that we're accustomed to in summer in Florida.